Hello and welcome back to another free college presentation. This is on Wikipedia articles, graphs, and charts. If you go to wikipedia.org, you can go down into here and type list of United States, list of 2021 United States, and you get this chart here. Now, if you're looking at the desktop version, it'll look like this, and you'll have a big chart right here. If you're looking at the mobile version, it'll be down here, mobile view, and you won't get the chart, unfortunately. So if you, it usually looks like this. Anyway, we'll go back to the desktop version. And we're going to look at the chart. This chart has all kinds of different things going on. We have different states, we have different names of bills, dates that they were introduced, a short description of what they are, of what the bill is about, and the detail is a lot of information pertaining to news articles that is added to information that assists the previous information in the chart. As you scroll down, you'll see Connecticut has two different bills, and I'll show you how that works when you're developing a chart to make it two separate bills. Same with Idaho, same with Florida. And then you have some color here with New Jersey and New Mexico and New York, indicating that they've legalized. But what we want to do is we want to just look at how to make the chart. So if we click on edit, what you'll see here is under state, that's the beginning piece of code to create a chart just like this one. And where it says exclamation point, scope, call, state, that all this before it is saying make a square around information and call it state. So down here next below it says basically make it say title. So as you scroll down, you'll look at Alabama as the first one and Connecticut is the second one. The row span equals 2 part before Connecticut is what makes the chart change and make it so you can put two different bills in it for the same state. And if we scroll down even more, it's going to take a minute, but if we go down a little more, we'll see that New Mexico legalized, and all this information here, background green, color white. I'm sure that is easy to understand. Is what it's saying is make the background green for New Mexico, and that's what it says. So if you have something that if they legalize that bill, then you'll want to put this into that graph. I'll open up another tab and open up that same first article we were looking at. We're going to scroll down. Oops, sorry. Don't know how that happened. We're going to scroll down and we're going to go to list of 2020 United States cannabis reform proposals. For 2020, you'll notice that nothing's green. And that's because I just made this chart not too long ago. What I was working with, and this is a good example of when you think a chart would be needed, is we're going to a version of this page before I made the graph, and you'll see that under state, you'll see Alabama and all these different states. All these states It's just a list. It's a huge list with all kinds of different pieces of information. A little bit organized, needs a chart. So we'll go to the new version, and the 2020 proposals. You'll see now some of the information's organized. So how was that done exactly? Very, very simple, but we'll scroll down and we'll go to the 2016 page because it's the easiest to look at because not much was going on there. As you see, there's a chart here with the states, short description, and detail. So if you are interested in getting some edits in, you can go over here onto this page, do some research, and find out which of these went through, and you can take the code from the 2021 page where New York is listed, and you can take that and you can add it here and make it green background. So if you need some edits, you can work on these pages. So I'll go to edit, and it's a very simple code here. State, short description, and detail. The state, the name of the, and as you can see, between each state, there's a line. There are two lines, one going up and down, one going left and right. That right there is a separator, and it separates the information. So you have Arkansas, medical, some notes, separator. Arizona, legalization, Arizona proposition bill in detail, separator. And there you have it. It's that simple. You just take the information, you take the code, you can go into your Wikipedia, account, and you can sign in, and you can use your sandbox page in order to copy and paste the information and then repaste the information back into the article. And then what you'll get is a better, more readable chart of information. Thank you very much for watching this presentation, and hope you have a great day.